What is going on? So we're gonna do a little quick video again. So we ended up getting a replica zl1 5th gen spoiler because we ended up getting a wickerbill for him on Christmas and we haven't had time to set it up. So today's the day. We finally got one. We were trying to get an OEM one, but pretty much you gotta order one and stuff. And it was gonna take too long, so we got a good deal on this one. I don't know if I ever recorded him backing in, but so like I said, we're gonna try to put this wickerbill on his car. It's from zl1 Addons, but he wanted the zl1 style, and his SS didn't have a zl1 wing on it, and we were trying to sort one out. We had a friend that was gonna sell us one, but his car was at the shop, and we didn't know when he was gonna get that back. So we've been waiting and waiting, and another friend of ours had actually a spare zl1 rep from Icon, and it's paint matched to his car. It's I don't know what kind of I don't know how the color, but it's like a dark blue. So for the meantime, we're just gonna slap it on, put it all together before we get that one painted. But yeah, here's another video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we're just waiting until he comes out. But we're probably gonna try to put the time lapse on this and see how it goes. Can't wait to pretty much see how it's gonna look completely now. Here's the zl1. Still need to go more testing before LS Fest. Hopefully we can still get a few runs in. If not, then you're just gonna go how it is on LS Fest. Hopefully we get better times and stuff. Fortunately, I'm gonna try to go to LS Fest for one day, but the car will be there. So if you guys see the car, you know, take a picture, tag me in there, be cool. Like I said, I'll probably be out there, but for one day, just don't know what day exactly, but the car will be there. And it's gonna enter the drag racing. So we're just trying to see where the car will be. And yeah, just have fun with it. But yeah. Also, gonna be selling some stuff. zl1 wheels are gonna go, hopefully. And behind this, I have the stock zl1 hood, and then in my room, I have the stock trunk with the stock zl1 spoiler on it. That's planning on selling now. Pretty much gonna start selling some stuff because we got something coming up in stores for all of us. It's gonna be him, me, and my sister. We're trying to get something, and hopefully everything works out. So we're just trying to gather up some money, and pretty much hopefully it works out for us sometime this year. But let's get started with this. Put you guys on cinematics. So it looks like there's only 4 bolts mounted on the wing. So far I haven't really tried to remove it. So you pretty much remove this rubber garment, and then they're 10 mils, and I believe the wing should just pop off. We're about to find out right now. Let's see, let me put you guys down real quick. Like I said, it's my first time actually doing this. So There's probably 2 more under here because the sides go up, but the mesh doesn't. So probably missing 2 more. So hold on. So there is 2 more. Let's see. Bolts under here. You guys can see the stud. I already removed the bolts. Just gotta remove these clips. Just be careful because I broke them off here. They're really brutal. I ended up removing the stoppers or whatever you call them, just so I could pull it more and pretty much remove them. But yeah, those plastics, pretty much they're hard. GM kind of made them like only like a one-time use type thing, and I tried using pretty much a little plastic remover, but like I said, still broke them off. But hopefully the wing should pop off now from the looks of it. I just probably need 2 hands, but hold on, let me put you guys down right here. Hopefully that's a good view. So yeah, pretty much for the stock SS, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I lost count already. Yeah, 5. Actually 6. And then this plastic clip. So not too bad. Here's the wickerbill. It's right there. Sorry for the mess. And then we start to remove the spoiler. But yeah. You want a towel? Thumbnail. Yeah, so. I already told him that's a different color. I just haven't took it out. But it wasn't too bad. I almost started removing the wrong stove, but brand new. Brand new. Damn, looks black. Imagine it is black.
Nah, you can see it right.
Oh no, you just see it. But it's dark. It's a dark color.
Yeah.
So here's the damn. Here's
Whoops.
that's the Icon zl1 style. So, like I said, it is blue. Can't really tell, but probably when the sun hits it, you'll be able to see. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Well, where's the hole? I mean, does it have studs?
No.
Oh, so you gotta pull your own screws?
Nah.
Damn, that's another thing we gotta figure out. So what is going on right now? The factory ones have studs. This aftermarket doesn't. So we're trying to find pretty much bolts that fit in there. And we found these small ones, which actually screw in there. The only problem is that they're even long. These little things are too long and bottoms out. So we're gonna try to add these plastics, at least on the 2 sides. and pretty much go from there, and then try to figure out the rest. But yeah, let's get this going, and then I'll pick up the camera. I'll probably put on a time lapse while we figure it out. The GoPro ended up dying, but we pretty much got it all situated. It was a little complicated, but we got it done. Doesn't look too bad. Look at this angle. Looks so sick. We'll try to get another video tomorrow, because we're still gonna come off. It has a protection film on it, which is removed from the centerpiece, but we're gonna take it out, remove the other bottom piece, and pretty much that'll be it. So I'll pick up the camera back up tomorrow when it's daytime, hopefully. So before the sun goes down, this is how it really looks in the daytime. It says the blue doesn't actually show up too much, so it's pretty cool. Better angle of it. Looks way better. What do you guys think? Should he add the third brake light on it, or what? But yeah, that's all of it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.